I thought I was prepared for my first Brazilian wax, but there were 3 things nobody told me that completely changed the experience. If you're feeling nervous, trust me, you are not alone. The moment that appointment was booked, the questions started flooding in. Suddenly, it all felt very real. How much is it going to hurt? What am I supposed to wear? And honestly, is this going to be awkward? Let's talk about what really happens. No gatekeeping, just the honest truth. I'll cover everything from preparation to aftercare. And stay until the end, because one aftercare mistake can make the next day much more uncomfortable. First, your hair should be about the length of a grain of rice. Too short, and the wax may struggle to grip properly. Gently exfoliating the day before helps lift trapped hairs. It can also help reduce the risk of ingrown hairs afterward. One thing I didn't expect: heavy caffeine before your appointment. It can make your skin feel more sensitive than usual. Your wax specialist does this every day. There is absolutely no judgment. You'll have privacy to get ready and everything needed to feel comfortable. During each pull, breathe out slowly. Keeping your muscles relaxed makes a bigger difference than most people realize. Avoid intense workouts, hot tubs, and direct sun for 24 hours. Thinking about booking your first Brazilian wax? Leave your questions below and subscribe to MTH Health for more honest wellness guides.